Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream potatoes. First, select about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes like russets for that perfect creamy texture. Peel them and cut them into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Don't forget to rinse the cut potatoes thoroughly under cold water to wash away any excess starch. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, non-gummy result. Let's get cooking. Now place your rinsed potato pieces into a large pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 1 inch above the potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. This seasons the potatoes from the inside out. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Drain them well. While your potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the creamy base. In a small saucepan, gently warm 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't let it boil. In another small pan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, combine the warm milk and cream mixture with the melted butter. This rich, warm liquid is the secret to incredibly smooth and flavorful cream potatoes. Once your potatoes are drained, return them to the pot. Pour in the warm milk, cream, and butter mixture. Using a potato masher or a ricer, mash the potatoes until they are perfectly smooth and creamy. Be careful not to overmash, as this can make them gummy. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve immediately and enjoy. For more great deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.